So one of the great things about Google Classroom is your ability to keep parents/guardians up to date as what's going on in your class regarding your students' work, work not completed, comments, that type of thing. So if you go to Google Classroom and you want to invite guardians, they can see things like missing work, upcoming work, any class activities. They cannot access your class and review your class stream, but they can see how their student is doing. So all you very simply do is you go up to people in your class, click on people, and then next to their name, you will see this thing to click on that says invite guardians. Very simply, you click on invite guardians, type in some email addresses, and once you've done that, you very simply, click those people. Now, these are not going to go through because these are made up email addresses. You click invite, and now those people would now be guardians in that student's class.